So we got pretty much every scratch out of the window besides that little one right there. So that one is actually in the window. Alright, taking off the window control. You gotta put your finger here and you just pull up. You can also put a key by pushing here, sticking a key there, pulling up. But it should just come out pretty simply. I think, yeah, we're already out. Just wiggle, give it a little wiggle, not too much pressure. Unbutton that, unclip it, take this right here out. So you should be unclipped. You got a Phillips head screwdriver. You want to go ahead and take out this Phillips screw. Alright, next thing you want to do once you remove the Phillips is go ahead and grab the tab under here. It's a little plastic piece that runs along the door. Give it a good pull. Hear that click? Go ahead and do it other places. Just remove it from the door. A little bit windy. There we go. Alright. Perfect. I'll resume once I have my other hand. Alright, I got the main door panel off. What we want to next is move this panel. Then we're going to unplug this. There's 3 screws underneath. There's one right there. Should be another one tucked up in there. Another one over there. So we'll get there. So we're going to take off this next. So we got 2 little metal clips. Got one right here, one right here. Recommend a hand placement. Pull right here, pull right here. And yeah, it looks like only 2 clips. Go ahead and unplug this, and we're gonna actually, yeah, we'll unplug this first. When I unplug that, just take this as right here, take it out. Unplug this next with the button here. This one also has a button on top. You see? All right, we took out the new mirror, or the old mirror, and put in the new one. And aftermarket from Amazon, pretty good color match. Got a mirror, it folds. Let's see if it works. But we're gonna put back on that clip right here, and yeah, pretty easy once you get everything plugged in. Everything's plugged back in, and back in it goes. We're gonna plug this back in, other way, and then we're gonna go ahead and put it back on the panel. One thing I recommend doing if you live in cold weather with salt is go ahead and clean any salt rings. Look at that salt ring. You don't want rust on your inner panel, so get everything cleaned up. You can also do around the back of the door frame. You'll find that these frames start to develop rust, so make sure you get that cleaned up. One thing I recommend is going ahead and plugging in everything, turning on the car, making sure it works, and then we can put it back on the panel. Alright, let's see, moment of truth, car is on. We're going to click a little button on the side of the steering wheel to see the side view mirror. If it works, let's see. Okay. Oh, and we got the window mirror camera, whatever it is, working. There's plastic on it, so I haven't taken it off, but you can see right there, you can see some clarity.